Welcome back, children. Children, can you identify this animal? They are called Vatwagul in Marathi and Chamdagad in Hindi. Yes, you are right. In English, we call them as bats. Now, bats have wings, but they do not have any feathers on their body like birds. They don't even lay eggs like birds, but give birth to their young one. So only bats comes under the group of mammals, because young ones of bats feed on their mother's milk. Kids, note down, bats are not birds like crow, sparrow, parrot and cock. Why? Yes, because they do not lay eggs as well as they don't have feathers on their body. But they are included in the group of cow, tiger, deer and a mouse. Children, remember that variety is the rule in nature. I repeat, variety is the rule in nature. Here in this chapter, we have learnt about various types of animals. Right? Okay. I hope you have enjoyed the joyful session. Now it's time for some amazing facts. Okay, let me tell you. A baby giraffe can stand up and even it can run within an hour of its birth. I repeat, a baby giraffe can stand up and even it can run within an hour of its birth. Okay, now here we have finished with our lesson number 2, that is so many kinds of animals. Let us see the exercise part. Students, please note down these question answers in your EVS notebook. Let us discuss first. Fish dash in water? Yes, swims in water. Fish use their dash to breathe in water? Gills, which are behind their eyes. The body of a bird is covered with feathers. Dash have 6 legs. Insects have 6 legs. Spiders make dash in our house? Cobwebs. An elephant has a dash body? Bulky body. Name the following. Birds that soar high in the sky. Eagle, kite, vulture. Second one. Animals with scales on their body. Fish, chameleon, snake. Okay. Third. Animals that are a nuisance to us. Rats, mosquitoes, bedbugs, gnat. Fourth, large sized animals. Elephant, giraffe, hippopotamus. Animals that run very fast. Leopard, deer, cheetah. Chameleons creep or crawl. Kites soar high in the sky. Bats can fly but are not birds. Butterflies have 6 legs. Fish live in water. Observe this and try to draw fish in your notebook.